Most filmmakers skip this step and it kills their festival run. Before you rush into festivals, host a pre-screening. It builds buzz, gets you press, and gets you real audience feedback you'll never see in the edit bay. We did it for R.A.W at a high school auditorium. Free venue, because it was part of our story. Packed house, press coverage, and insights that made the film stronger because the pre-screening also gave us a test audience. We actually made a few clutch re-edits before hitting festivals that I think gave us a lot more success. Now, making this event happen sounds intimidating, but here's the secret. It's easy to find people who want you to succeed and to help you. Just think about the people and institutions already tied to your film. Subjects, schools, nonprofits, funders, even crowdfunding backers. They are all your built-in allies. For R.A.W, we partnered with Richards High School, the Baltimore School of the Arts. They were actually featured in the film. So they gave us the auditorium for free, promoted to thousands through their email list, and their marketing director, Stephanie, became one of our biggest champions. We had 3 sold-out events over a weekend with students from the school, alumni, donors, Richard's friends, family, our friends' family. Media outlets came, the press came, and it was just like a ton of fun. We had Q&As to keep it engaging after each screening, and we also learned a lot and got a lot of insight based on the questions that people were asking. All we had to do was literally post on social and print some posters to set up at the door. The Baltimore School of the Arts was a massive partner in actually making it happen. And also, it doesn't need to be in a theater. We screened it in an auditorium. You could do it in a conference room or community center. The key is to make it feel special, like an exclusive sneak peek at the film before it's actually made public. Here's a note on budget. If you tap into existing partners, you can definitely pull this off for next to nothing. Definitely reach out to the press. This is actually one of your best opportunities to get media, and then you can use all those articles that you get and put them in your Film Freeway profile. On the next video, I'm going to talk about getting into festivals, on your website, and it gives you so much momentum. This part scares people, but it shouldn't. I think many filmmakers, including myself, are shy and not sure it's press worthy, but the local media, and I used to work in the local media, loves the headline, local filmmakers premiere, or local filmmakers document XYZ, or local filmmakers win XYZ award. They're always looking for feature stories. That's a timely hook that allows them to cover your story. So in this case, local filmmakers premiere, exclusive screening to the public, and they will jump on it. Morning shows always need guests, newspapers need features, and you don't need a publicist to make this happen. Just email them. Every outlet has a tip line or newsroom address on their site. And here's a shortcut. I've linked the exact press release that we used for R.A.W in the description. That template got us TV spots, newspaper features, and magazine articles. So grab it, adapt it, and you're off to the races. Think of it also like a test screening. Hollywood tests everything with a live audience. You should too. There's a reason for it. At our first pre-screening of R.A.W, I could feel the energy in the room sag in a couple places. Almost instantly, I knew what needed trimming before the credits even rolled. So after the event, I actually busted open the project in Premiere to make a few clutch changes before we launched to festivals, and it made a massive difference. But if you don't want to bust open the project, I get it. Maybe you've already got your file you've created for festivals or whatever, but this still gives you incredibly valuable information on how to talk about the film, the story of making it, and see what audiences respond to, so you can lean into that in your marketing materials or when you're doing interviews or entering festivals. Document the event, take photos, pull quotes, get a friend to do stills or get video of it, short audience clips, record on the Q&A. These become your social posts, your website updates, and proof for festival programmers that your film already has momentum. Grassroots traction is a power-up, and that carries into your festival run. So here's the play. Leverage your allies for space and marketing, pitch local press, don't overthink it, use the screening as a feedback lab, and document everything so you've got proof of traction and content to drip out over time to maintain momentum. And drop a comment. Are you planning a community screening or have tips I didn't even mention? Let everyone know, let's talk about it. And don't forget to grab that free press release template in the description. It'll walk you through each step in more detail. And in part 3, you can't miss this. I'll break down how to navigate the festival circuit, what to submit, what to skip, and how to use festivals to get in front of distributors. If you like and subscribe to this video, you'll get a notification as I roll out this playbook and lots of other insider tips on doc filmmaking. See you next time.